watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
It's not often you can look through the lens of a Skycam and say it just looks hot out there, but there's a bit of a haze to the image here, and that's the representative of all that humidity that's socked away in the atmosphere right now. The hottest stretch of 2013, which is underway right now, is going to continue through a good chunk of the 8-day forecast. Scattered storms, some of which could be strong, coming up Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, that said, these are our days that we're focusing on for some stronger storms tomorrow as well as Thursday. And then perhaps even the weekend we could see some scattered storms, but these 2 days look like the best chances of seeing some strong storms across West Michigan. And then the heat and humidity finally starting to break later in the week, later in the 8-day forecast. Okay, Storm Track Live, as you know because you just lived it, it's been a dry, hot and muggy day here across West Michigan, and the northern part of this line of showers and storms pushing through Wisconsin, you can see it's really weakened. There's very little moisture left to work with here. That said, we could see a couple of these showers or perhaps embedded thunderstorms mosey across southern Lake Michigan. We're talking I-94 southward here, and we're not expecting much out of this. So in the event that any of this crosses and you have outdoor plans where rain would be a problem for you, I want to track because there is a small chance that some of these showers and storms get across the lake around 9 o'clock to places like South Haven, Benton Harbor, St. Joseph, New Buffalo, all the way into Kalamazoo. And again, the chance of this holding together pretty slim, but 10 o'clock we could see a shower, sprinkle, or perhaps an isolated storm this evening. Okay, winds are out of the southwest, and so that tells us a couple things. It's a warm, humid air mass being pushed northward, which makes sense because temperatures are around 90 right now. But also with the southwest breeze here along the lakeshore, we're getting some relief here because that air has to travel over those cooler lake waters. It's 74 right now at Holland State Park, but 86 at the Inland Airport. 88 now in Grand Rapids, almost 90 here in Kalamazoo, 85 now in Big Rapids. Dew points, this is the measure of moisture in the atmosphere, mid 60s, upper 60s even, that equals muggy. And so our heat index values are around 90. Our Futurecast computer model, there is that small chance of an isolated shower or storm here, but through the day, most of us will be staying totally dry. Wanted to stop this though. Tuesday morning, here comes a cluster of storms, which will be more intense in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa here during the day here on Monday. But as it works its way eastward overnight, this is our chance for seeing some strong storms in the morning on Tuesday. And you'll see this in greater detail in our 8-day forecast. But if you're headed out to Lake Michigan tomorrow, it's going to be a nice day. Just keep in mind we have elevated rip current risk here from Holland State Park all the way up to Big Sobble Point. 2 to 4 foot waves, smaller waves from Holland southward toward Warren Dunes. South winds 10 to 15 out on Lake Michigan with water temperatures finally into the 60s. Okay, here's the 8-day forecast. You notice we just have that 20% chance of showers and storms for Monday, 70% chance of morning showers and storms, leftovers from a system off to our west that progresses eastward overnight. Tuesday morning could be rumbly. 90 the high here Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday, scattered showers and storms, 88. And then even Thursday, we have a continued chance of storms, dry, a little bit cooler. You can see that heat finally starts to break once we get into Friday.
For everybody who wanted summer, here you go.
Indeed.
All right, thanks, Kyle.